In this video, I will show you how to delete Monopoly Go account permanently. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on Monopoly Go. Now to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Monopoly Go and log into your account. Then what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and press onto the three lines to open up this menu. From this menu, what you want to do is come and press onto settings at the bottom. And from the settings menu, just come down and press onto the green manage account button. On this next screen, you're going to see a option at the bottom for account deletion. Go ahead and give this a press. If you're on Android, what's going to happen is going to come up with a window saying confirm deletion. So you would just simply press yes. If you're on iOS, what it's going to do is load up this article. And from here, you want to scroll down on this article and you're going to see a red delete my account button. So what you want to do is give that a press and make sure to read through this just to be aware of what happens when you do delete your game account. But basically, you just want to press the red delete my account button and then complete your details such as your name and email and just go through and complete the form. Once you've done that, that's going to put through a process to delete your Monopoly Go account permanently. So that is how to delete Monopoly Go account permanently. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.